Dead Island 2 co-op not working, exact fix, public session method. Step by step. 1. Host a public session. Launch Dead Island 2. From the main menu, go to co-op. Select host game and set it to public, not friends only. 2. Have your friends spam join attempts. Your friend should repeatedly try to join your session from the session list. They may need to spam join or refresh the session list until it works. Tip: this method increases connection success due to how the game handles matchmaking priority in public mode. 3. Once your friend joins, switch to friends only. After your friend is in, open the in-game menu, co-op settings. Change the session to friends only. This keeps the session private going forward. 4. Optional. Kick random players. If any strangers join your public session before your friend, kick them using the co-op menu. Extra fixes if that doesn't work. Both players must complete the intro and reach Halperin Hotel for co-op to unlock. Make sure both have open NAT and working internet. On PC, verify game files via Steam Epic. Temporarily disable crossplay if experiencing compatibility issues. Avoid using VPNs or aggressive firewalls that may block P2P connections. Why this works. Dead Island 2's matchmaking prefers public sessions. By forcing your game into that pool and letting your friend join before locking it to private, you bypass many of the session join bugs.